Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's May 1st, Wednesday. I bring up the fact that it's May 1st because yesterday I completed a full year of basically not repeating any new recipes. I prepared well over 325 plus unique and different recipes for a year. Doesn't mean that I won't do new recipes in the future, because I will. But it means I get to repeat some of our favorites from the last year. All right, so to celebrate, my last meal was ribeye with a mushroom peppercorn sauce, baked potatoes, and Casual Chef's own corn and pea saute. Yum. Excellent meal. Yeah, just perfect. Tonight, I'm doing Irish tacos. Today is a super simple meal. Let's see, I have, I think, 4 ingredients. Let's show you. All right, there's the hardware. There's just not quite a pound of corned beef, which I'm going to roast like I did on St. Patrick's Day. Hence, that hardware. So the house this afternoon is going to smell really wonderful once I get this in the oven and roasting for a few hours. We're topping it off with sauerkraut. We're using street-size flour tortillas and a shredded Colby Jack. Now, when I'm out and about, I might go pick up some salsa. We have sour cream, but I think this is going to be a fun meal. It's super simple. All I got to do is, roast the corned beef and shred it, and we got tacos. Yeah. All right. I worked on the cookbook more yesterday. It's coming. It's coming out. Don't have a date yet, but it's coming. So, on this May 1st, Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.